My name is Chidera Emeka Okoli. I am a Solutions Engineering Manager here at VMware Carbon Black. So my involvement in the lab is that I am a hands-on lab captain. I've been a big admirer of the hands-on lab for over 4 or 5 years now. That's how I learned about VMware's products coming into the company. So it's been a full circle moment to come back and be able to lead a lab, teach a lab, and just create content for attendees and just overall end user or customers. Some of the standard features of the XDR lab is that we have introduced network intelligence or network telemetry to help with IDS observations. And we've also introduced identity intelligence so we can start to observe the end user behavior and start to detect anomalous logins and so on and so forth. So the special part about the lab is just the journey you take. So with the lab, there are 2 parts to the lab. There's the first part, which is the end user part. So you wear the hat as an end user whose machine has been attacked. So you go through the attack phases of getting a phishing email come onto your laptop, clicking on the email, getting it encrypted, and having to reach out to IT for support to help decrypt your laptop. And then the other part of that journey is now wearing the hat as the analyst, the SOC analyst. So going through that threat hunting process of going in to figure out, okay, how did this malware get to this machine? What kinds of behaviors are we seeing? Are we able to identify any anomalous end user behavior? Are we able to see the network data? So not just the endpoints telemetry that Carbon Black is well known for, now we're adding that network visibility into the product so you can see where the attack came from, if it's a command and control kind of attack where it's reaching out to a third party to exfiltrate data from your environment. So you're able to see those kinds of attack and go through that full journey from the malware coming onto the machine to also seeing the full life cycle and journey of that attack as it proliferates throughout that machine. The Carbon Black XDR lab continues to give out over time because it's an ever-evolving product. With XDR, it's going to continue to grow and the lab is going to continue to update. So what you learn now is going to stick with you and we're going to add more features. So it's a lab you take now, you can come back and take it in 2, 3, even a year time, and you'll find newer features, newer products, newer releases that shows you what it would take to protect your environment and give you a whole lot more visibility and telemetries into the attacks that will be seen in your environment. Come take the lab. It's a pretty cool lab in my opinion. It gives you one console, one agent, one centralized platform for you to experience so much in terms of visibility and experience when it comes to remediating attacks that comes into your environment.